What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to restrict user to log in only in one device on your WordPress website. So it's a very important security tip into this video. Let's imagine the following scenario, okay? A person logging on your site, on your page, on mobile, and logging on iPad, and logging on desktop, and logging on Office desktop, and logging on house laptop. How to prevent this? How to make person log out from one device as soon as they log in into a new device? This is very important for your site security, and you can do this for free without coding into a really simple and effective method, and this is what we're gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard and review the left sidebar of menus. Find the option Plugins next to Appearance and Users, hover a mouse over it and click on Add New Plugin. Once you see this page right here, review the upper right corner of your screen. Next to Search Plugins, there is an empty field where you can type to search by plugin name and type login limit active logins, just like this. And here is the guide we're looking for with this key image by Joel James. Thanks, Joel. Click on Install Now. Then click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, okay? But if you review the WordPress left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over settings, and right here on settings click on general submenu. Once you are right here, scroll it down just a little bit with calm, and next to the dates week start zone we have login settings, maximum active logins. So set the maximum number of active logins users account can have, okay? So imagine that you would like persons logging on your site at the same time, keep logging in with tablet, with mobile, and with computer. So you have 3. Now imagine that you would like that the person only have the login with a single device. As soon as they log in with mobile, it logouts from tablet and laptop. So set as 1. Now we have right here the login logic. Allow new login by terminating all the other old sessions when the limit is reached. Block. Do not allow new login in the limit is reached. Users need to wait for the old login session to expire. Up to you. I recommend that you allow but log out. But once again, it's up to you and according to your security needs. Only these 2 options can do marvels for your site. Just remember to hit the update button into this page after finishing the setup you have, okay? And remember, as soon as they log in, they're gonna be able to log out once again by using the handy menu to log out, okay? Simple, easy, effective, and works for free. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, WP Bakery, or Gutenberg block editor. And it's a totally free WordPress plugin. In addition, we have the best free WordPress theme that gives you pre-built websites. That is our Enzu WordPress theme. Also can be downloaded for free. In addition, in the case that you would like to submit your blog or to publish some content on some other blogs or to connect with a growing blogging community, to Trash, for marketing, for collaboration, go to growth with 3ws.net and review the platform. You can submit and find sites for free. Talking about free things, we have the sites.gallery website, a place where you can promote your site, your apps, your games, your landing pages, your stores, and all it's free as well. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium themes, plugins, options, icons, images, and many more content for you to create the site of your dreams and to use internet on your site's favor. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!